Welcome back to another Caleb Martin video, and today I'll be unboxing the new Nintendo 3DS XL in metallic blue and reviewing it 7 years from its release back in 2015. This console is also technically the last console before the Switch lineup in 2017, which we'll also compare later in this video. Now, this console isn't actually new. In fact, it was actually owned by a guy previously, but he kept it in supposedly awesome condition. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to treat it as if it was new. Although the box is already in new or stock shelf condition. Random fact about this console, it's not only Samsung or Apple that likes to not include a charger. Yep, that's right, the Nintendo 3DS XL's charger is sold separately. I'm not sure if they did this on the other 3DS models or if it's just this model alone. First out of the box we have the operation manual and whatever an AR card is. Tell me in the comments. Secondly, the console. If there was no console in here, this wouldn't be much of an entertaining video. Hey guys, I bought a 3DS XL with no 3DS XL. Off to a good start. The shell is actually in really good condition. Besides a few marks, it's flawless. For the rest of this section of the video, it's just going to be a montage, so enjoy. Now for the review side of the video. Firstly, let's talk about the 3DS's younger and more popular brother, the Switch. For starters, games and exclusive game titles. The 3DS has plenty of exclusive titles that make the 3DS worthwhile. However, there are also very similar games available on the Switch. For example, Mario Kart 7, Luigi's Mansion 2, on the 3DS, and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe Luigi's Mansion 3 on the Switch. Not to mention the Zelda series, which you can find Ocarina of Time on the 3DS and Breath of the Wild on the Switch. However, although these games are similar to each other in both generations, it's quite hard to find any games that are of low quality, as that is something Nintendo does quite well. Moving on to the overall console. These are of course handheld consoles. Designed to be a transportable alternative to a home video game console, which brings me to how I will rank the Switch against the 3DS. Test 1. The battery test. I don't have the time to compare my original console's batteries. However, I can say that according to Nintendo, the Switch can last up to 6.5 hours, while the 3DS can last up to the same 6.5 hours. I can't confirm if this was realistic, but my Switch lasts up to 4 hours and my 3DS lasts around 3 hours, so 1 point to the Switch. Test 2. Physical judgment. This one's quite tricky as both of these consoles are known for being weird to hold, but I can tell quite easily after holding both of these consoles, the Switch wins. mainly because the Switch feels more natural to grip on, but quite frankly, both consoles suck in this department. Test 3. General features. You would think that the newer console would bring more features than removing them, right? Well, the 3DS definitely earns this point, because of several reasons. The 3DS has two cameras, one for AR and one for regular camera, removable storage, a removable battery, dual screens, well this one might be a bit controversial, and a membership for multiplayer games is not required to have fun online. Talking about online, the 3DS also has a web browser as well, but that's not too much to brag about for how slow it is. So, would I still recommend a 3DS or this new 3DS XL in 2022? Yes, despite its limitations, it should be considered on your buy list if you're in the market for a handheld console. It's very portable, small, and lightweight compared to the Switch, and yet doesn't feel low quality. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and check out some of my other videos.